In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view two pages side by side in Google Docs, a particularly handy trick for reviewing documents more efficiently or when you're preparing a presentation and need to see how slides complement each other. This 5-minute guide will walk you through the simple steps to achieve this view, which can significantly improve your reading or editing workflow in Google Docs. Let's kick things off by heading over to Google Slides. Yes, you heard that right. While we're interested in Google Docs, the trick we're using involves Google Slides, a related app within Google's suite of productivity tools. This is where we'll start the process. So first, you'll need to sign in, navigate to the Google Slides homepage, enter your email and password, then click Next to proceed. This step will ensure you're logged into your Google account and ready to start working with your documents. Once you're signed in and have your Google Slides dashboard in front of you, look for the File menu option located at the top left corner of your screen. This menu is the gateway to many of the functionalities you'll need, not just for this task, but for many others in Google Slides. After clicking on File, your next step is to find and select Print Preview. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're not actually looking to print anything, but trust me, this option holds the key to viewing your documents in a 2-page layout. The print preview feature is powerful because it allows us to see how our documents will look in various formats before making any final decisions or changes. Now here's where the magic happens. In the print preview screen, you'll notice a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options for how you wish your document to be formatted within the print preview. Click on this drop-down to explore the available options. Among the options, you'll find one that says Handout, 2 slides per page. This is the option you want to select. By choosing this, you're telling Google Slides to display 2 slides of your presentation side by side on the print preview screen. While this feature is primarily intended for creating handouts for an audience, it's an excellent tool for reviewing your slides in a side-by-side layout without having to print anything out. And just like that, you're done. You now have a 2-page view of your slides, allowing you to see how they complement each other, make comparisons, or simply enjoy a more overview-oriented approach to reviewing your work. This method, while not directly available in Google Docs, highlights the versatility of Google's suite of tools and how they can be leveraged in creative ways to enhance your productivity. Remember, the beauty of Google's productivity suite is in its flexibility and interoperability. Techniques like this one can save you time and make your document handling tasks a little easier. Feel free to experiment with other options in the print preview drop-down menu to find the best layout for your specific needs. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step guide to viewing Google Docs in a 2-page layout using Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation, reviewing documents, or just prefer a broader view of your work, this tip can enhance your Google Docs experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy guides and tips on making the most of your digital tools.